This old guy DIY video has to do with getting the seal ring for a Yamaha outboard when you're changing the oil in the lower unit. So a hot chick that I know has this Yamaha on the back of her pontoon, and in preparation for spring I was changing the lower unit oil, and in doing that, when I removed the bolt from up here, the O-ring was all crushed and it actually was an O-ring. So I went online and I saw that Yamaha actually sells fiber rings. So I didn't want to pay $8 for one. So I went to Amazon. Amazon sent me a pack of 24 of these little fiber gaskets. And for this Yamaha, the black one seems to be the correct size. So if you have a couple days, you're not in a big hurry, for $7 you can get 24 of these things. For me, that'll be a lifetime supply no matter how many friends I help. And in this case, the black one fits the Yamaha. I haven't used any on Mercury or Evinrude motors yet, so I'm not sure which color goes for which make, but it looks like a very cost-effective solution. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.